Mastering adjective clauses. Unlock the power of descriptive language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of English grammar that will help bring your sentences to life. Adjective clauses. These handy grammatical tools enable us to add more information and color to our descriptions, making our communication richer and more expressive. So, are you ready to explore the world of adjective clauses? Let's get started. First things first. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a type of dependent clause that functions as an adjective. This means it modifies, or describes, a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Here's a quick example. The dog, which was barking loudly, seemed agitated. In this sentence, the clause, which was barking loudly, is our adjective clause. It's providing more information about the noun, dog. Now that we know what an adjective clause is, let's learn how to form one. Adjective clauses usually start with a relative pronoun like who, whom, that, which, whose, or a relative adverb like when, where, or why. Remember this rule: if the clause is modifying a person, use who or whom. If it's modifying a thing or a place, use that or which. Let's look at some examples. The woman who works at the library is my aunt. I don't remember the year when we first met. Punctuation can make a big difference in how we understand and interpret adjective clauses. When the information in the adjective clause is not essential to the meaning of the sentence, we set off the clause with commas. This type of clause is called a non-restrictive clause. For example, my brother's car, which is red, needs a wash. Here, which is red, is an extra information about the car. Even without this clause, the sentence still makes sense. My brother's car needs a wash. On the other hand, when the information in the clause is crucial to the meaning of the sentence, we do not use commas. This type of clause is called a restrictive clause. For instance, the books that are on the table belong to me. Here, that are on the table, is essential information. Without this clause, we wouldn't know which books the sentence refers to. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the basics of adjective clauses, how to form them, and how to punctuate them correctly. Remember, understanding and using adjective clauses can elevate your English skills to the next level. Keep practicing and soon, it will become second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. Until next time, happy learning!